Hey guys, Ben here, owner-operator, Northern Virginia Headlight Restorations. Got another review series for you. This one's from Margaret. Ben showed up on time at my sister's house and left her foggy headlights like new. Margaret called me about her sister, her Kia Soul. Headlights were just messy and totally oxidized and just needed that restoration. I'll tell you, folks, those kits you buy off the shelf, those big box stores that you go to who offer this service, won't touch a Kia light. Kias are tough, the plastic's hard, and the clear coat from the factory is hard to sand down. Those kits will never come with the grit low enough to get the job done. It does take a little bit of skill and technique at that point when you're in those lower grits of sandpaper to really get it even and stuff like that. So this just goes to show that not all vehicles are created equal, which is why those store-bought kits can fail a lot of times. Fail to give you the results that you're looking for. So, I always recommend getting a professional headlight restoration. And if you're going to get a professional headlight restoration, why not go with Northern Virginia Headlight Restorations? You can find us at www.ccheadlights.com. Thanks, everybody.